Okay, this is number two on the formative. This one looks a little bit different. Because the y is not by itself, has the y minus 2, there's going to be a little bit more involved in the problem. You can still plug in numbers for x. We could still do whatever we wanted, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do that this time. But you can also take that original equation and make it a little bit easier to work with. So you could distribute this 2, and your new equation would be y minus 2 equals 2x plus 2. And you could solve it from there. You could also take this negative 2 on the left-hand side and add it to both sides. That would give you y equals 2x plus 4. And now you have an easier equation to work with. So we'll do this one the rest of the way from here. I'll go back and show you what it would look like if you didn't convert it into slope-intercept form. So from here, y equals 2 times 1 plus 4, which is 2 plus 4, which is 6. I can do the same thing again. Y equals 2 times 2 plus 4, which is 4 plus 4, which is 8. Y equals 2 times 3 plus 4, which is 6 plus 4, which is 10. And at this point, it'd be really nice if you see these are going up by 2, because the slope is 2. So if I go up by 2 more, I get 12. You could also plug it in. Say y equals 2 times 4 plus 4, which is 8 plus 4, which is 12. So that's one way to get the table. I could, and I'm going to erase this and do it a different way. This would be a recommended way. A lot of math teachers will do this strategy. A lot of students will use this strategy. But you could get the table without needing to rearrange the equation first. So I'm going to erase some things. If I kept the table how it was, y minus 2 equals 2 parentheses x plus 1. My x is 1 from my first spot in my table. And now I'd have to solve this equation. So y minus 2 equals 2 times 2. Y minus 2 equals 4. I'm solving an equation. Add 2 on both sides. And y is equal to 6. So if I plug in 1, I'll get 6. And I can do that for the rest of the problems as well. I would just be replacing this 1 with a different number, like 2 or 3 or 4, and making the table from there.